This message is for Cubana chief priest. Cubana chief priest, I saw the video where you do, where they trend online concerning the insecurity in this East, which I support. Let there be peace. I want it. But you know the main problem in Igbo land. You're supposed to talk about it for the reason of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is one of the problems we are having in this East, so that we know where our enemy is coming. Because a lot of group of people are using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as an excuse committing many crimes in this East. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said that he is not in support in this violence. So Cubana chief priest, what you're supposed to be saying, they should release him so that we will know what is happening in Igbo land. That is what you're supposed to say. And you are saying that if we not like the governor, we should vote him out from the seat. I want to ask you, you are from Imo State and you are a PA to Governor for Pozodema. The governorship or the election in Imo State, I want to ask you whether or not Pozodema he won that election. Even the first one, he's not the one that won the election, but they put on that seat. They put him in the seat. Even the second one, no be him win. They carry and put for that seat. So there's nothing like voting. Nigeria has been corrupt. Our leaders, got politicians, they are the problem of this country called Nigeria. Why this insecurity in this is? The problem is from politicians. Nigeria politicians, they are the problem we are having in this country. Who are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani men? Who are the people that want to give Fulani land all over Nigeria? Nigerian politicians. Who are the people that cause this insecurity? Nigerian politicians. Because they talk that the issue of Biafra, they can use using gun and bullet to stop Biafra. They don't know using gun and bullet to stop Biafra is beyond of that. If gun and bullet will stop Biafra, during the Biafran war, everything will stop. So what caused this thing in this is issue of Biafra. That is the main thing. The problem of this is Biafra. Now, why Igbos are saying they need Biafra? That is where you're supposed to know how they will settle it so that there will be peace. Why are they talking about Biafra? What they cause? If Nigerian politicians, they are doing what they're supposed to do in Niger Delta region, Niger Delta people youth cannot form themselves, call themselves militant, have many groups carrying weapons. Though they know go do them. Why they carry weapons is because government are not doing what they're supposed to do in their land, persecuting them in their own land. That is when you'd say no, we no agree. Then form many groups in Niger Delta. Go to Niger Delta region now. You will see different groups. They carry weapon. Who cause it? Politicians. So the problem we are having in this country called Nigeria is politicians. Now let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that we know whether peace will come to this East. They say they no go release them. Who caused the problem? Nigerian politicians. Why are the Igbos talking about Biafra? It's because Nigerian politicians. They say the Igbo be the born to serve, and then be the born to rule. All these persecuting Igbos. That is the only thing that is one of the things that brought Biafra. If everywhere is living fine, everything equal in this country called Nigeria, Biafra no go come out. Everybody will live in peace. But they don't want to give Igbo power. Peter Obi, he's the one that won the election. They don't want to give him. They don't want to give Peter Obi his mandate because Peter Obi is an Igbo man. You are seeing all those things. So my brother, Chief Cubana priest, what you talk, they're good. I like the way you speak. Let there be peace. I support let there be peace in this East. Slaughtering of soldiers and the police, I'm not in support of that. Let there be peace. But anytime you will talk, tell the politicians, the one where they do, where no good. Tell them their sin so that they will repent. This insecurity in this is caused by the politicians.